When it comes to boosting your Clearwater home's curb appeal, every detail counts, from the color of your front door to the landscaping around your yard. One feature that may not immediately come to mind but plays a significant role in both aesthetics and functionality is your windows. If you're looking for a way to enhance the look and feel of your home, slider windows are a smart and stylish option. Slider windows, known for their sleek design and practicality, offer both aesthetic and functional benefits. Here's how installing slider windows can elevate your Clearwater home's curb appeal and improve your living space. Sleek and modern design. Slider windows are known for their sleek, contemporary look. Unlike traditional double-hung or casement windows, slider windows open horizontally, with one or more sashes gliding smoothly from side to side. Their clean lines and minimalist design make them an excellent choice for homeowners in Clearwater who want to achieve a modern and streamlined appearance for their home. The simplicity of slider windows allows them to fit seamlessly with a variety of architectural styles. Whether your home is mid-century modern, contemporary, or coastal-inspired, slider windows complement the design without overwhelming it. The smooth, unobstructed glass panes offer an open, airy feel and let natural light pour into your home, making your interior spaces feel larger and brighter. Maximizing natural light and views. One of the most significant benefits of slider windows is their ability to maximize natural light and offer unobstructed views. Because of their wide, horizontal design, slider windows can be much larger than traditional windows, allowing for expansive views of your front yard, garden, or neighborhood. In Clearwater, where the weather is often sunny and pleasant, slider windows are perfect for capturing the outdoors and bringing it inside. Imagine waking up in the morning with a clear view of your well-maintained landscape or enjoying the sunsets over the horizon, all without needing to open your window. Slider windows allow you to enjoy clear, expansive views, which can make your home feel more connected to nature and enhance its overall appeal. Energy efficiency and comfort. When it comes to enhancing curb appeal, it's not just about looks, functionality matters too. Slider windows are often more energy efficient than older window styles. Many modern slider windows are made with double-glazed or triple-glazed glass, which helps keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter by minimizing heat transfer. In Clearwater, where temperatures can soar in the summer, having windows that effectively block out heat can make a significant difference in your energy bills. Slider windows also have a tight seal when closed, reducing the chance of drafts, which can lead to unwanted air infiltration. This level of energy efficiency adds to the comfort of your home and reduces the strain on your air conditioning system, keeping your home cool and comfortable without driving up your utility costs. Ease of operation. Another great feature of slider windows is how easy they are to operate. Unlike double-hung windows, which require lifting or tilting, slider windows simply glide open with a push or pull. This makes them an excellent choice for homeowners who want low maintenance and easy-to-use windows. For those with limited mobility or those who simply prefer windows that are easy to clean and operate, slider windows are a perfect option. Since they do not swing outward, they are also ideal for homes with limited exterior space, such as those with narrow balconies or close neighbors. The ability to effortlessly slide the window open also allows for better ventilation during pleasant weather, creating a more comfortable living environment. Durability and low maintenance. Living in Clearwater means your home is exposed to coastal elements, such as humidity, saltwater air, and occasional storms. Slider windows, especially those made from durable materials such as vinyl or fiberglass, are built to withstand these conditions with minimal maintenance. Unlike wooden windows, which can warp or rot over time, slider windows made from weather-resistant materials require very little upkeep. Many slider windows also come with protective coatings or treatments that help resist staining, fading, or corrosion. This means your windows will continue to look great and function properly for years, even in the challenging climate of Clearwater. Increased property value. Upgrading your home's windows to modern slider windows can also increase its market value. In a competitive real estate market, features like energy efficiency, easy operation, and attractive design can make your home more appealing to potential buyers. With the ability to boost curb appeal, improve the view, and reduce energy costs, slider windows offer a return on investment by enhancing the overall functionality and look of your home. If you're considering selling your Clearwater home in the future, investing in slider windows now could make a positive impact on how potential buyers perceive your property. Homes with modern, energy-efficient windows are often seen as more desirable, and windows that are easy to operate and maintain will appeal to a wide range of buyers. Perfect for coastal living. Living in Clearwater, where coastal living is a significant part of the lifestyle, slider windows are particularly well suited for homes that want to capture the beauty of the outdoors. The ability to open the windows wide to let in the fresh breeze from the coast, while still maintaining a secure and weathertight seal when needed, is a perfect balance for coastal homes. These windows are designed to handle coastal weather while enhancing the beauty of your home's exterior. Conclusion: elevate your Clearwater home with slider windows. If you're looking to enhance your Clearwater home's curb appeal, slider windows are an excellent choice. Their sleek design, energy efficiency, and ease of operation make them a perfect fit for homeowners looking to improve both the aesthetics and functionality of their space. Whether you're replacing outdated windows or building a new home, installing slider windows can significantly elevate your property's appearance, comfort, and value. Consider working with a trusted window expert to explore your options and bring the beauty of the outdoors inside with slider windows for your home today.